आज आपने एसएस का पेपर दे दिया और ये हमारे पास पेपर भी आ गया। चलो हम बात करते हैं आपके आंसर्स की कि आपने क्या किया है और चलो देखते हैं कितना आपका सही है, राइट। तो ये रहा पेपर का सेट 3 और फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका एमसीक्यू का है, राइट। चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस रिगार्डिंग बॉडी मास इंडेक्स। इसमें आपका करेक्ट आंसर क्या होगा? बॉडी मास इंडेक्स किसके लिए निकालते हैं? टू फाइंड द नरिशमेंट लाइक द असेसमेंट ऑफ द अंडर न्यूट्रिशन। डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. Here the another question, match the following aspects of the globalization with their descriptions and choose the correct options. So when we are discussing about globalization, you all know there are the many things here given, so you need to match. Look at here, if you are going with technological advancement, right, so technological advancement with innovation will come, right. Then again second option is like your liberalization. So when we are discussing about the liberalization, then the restriction should be removed, right. So here you can match it, like the B option will be correct. C, D, A and B. Another question here, which one of the following is primary purpose? Look at here, it's not primary sector, it is primary purpose of the loan, so it will be getting here to support economic growth. So D option is correct. Now see, look at this picture. I hope you all have done well because this question has given in your pre-word, right. Look at the image given. So it is like unorganized sector where the salary is not fixed, time is not fixed and they are not getting good wages. So here the answer will be C, unorganized sector. Another one beta, see which one of the following pairs is correctly matched. So here it is beta, see primary sector, it is not tailor, no, tailor is the part of tertiary sector. Secondary is kind of fisherman, no, tertiary sector is astronaut. That is the correct, because primary sector again courier, so this courier service is giving the tertiary one, so the tertiary sector is going to be correct one, C option. Another question here, assumes here, as I told you, when we are finding the average income, that means total income divided by the people. So here the 4, 2 and 5 7, 7 and 3 10 and 10 and 6 1600 divided by 4, that gives you 4000. I'm sorry, not 100, it is 1000, so 4000 is the correct answer. Now choose the correct option. You all know literacy rate is going to be measured 7 and above 8 age group. As you can ask her, why not 8? Because it is the 7 and above. Now which one of the following language is going to be 8th scheduled in India? Right, that is the Odia one, right. Rajasthani, that is the main language added like in the Hindi one, so here it is Odia, D option. Which one of the following is the fundamental principle of democracy? सो डेमोक्रेसी की बात जब करते हैं बेटा, फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल की बात कर रहे हैं, तो सभी को पता है डेमोक्रेसी में क्या होता है? फ्रीडम, राइट. इस बच्चे ने यहाँ पे किया है सिंगल इंडिविजुअल, रूल ऑफ हेरिडिटरी नहीं हुआ, किंग का हो गया, तो बेटा यहाँ पे क्या होगा? रूल आपका आंसर करेक्ट होगा सी, रूल ऑफ पीपल विद द फ्रीडम. Now another question, that is 10th, which one of the following countries has one party system? As we all know, China is correct answer because China has the Communist Party of China. Now another one, read the following statement with the power sharing arrangements in Belgium and choose the correct options. Look at here children, Brussels has separate government with equal representation. Equal में सबको पता है, both which government was there? French community and the Dutch community. So that is correct. Another, the Dutch French speaking ministers are equal in the central government. That is also correct. Community government is elected by the people belonging to the one language that we are discussing, each ethnic community. So 1, 2, 3 is correct here. Series of majoritarian measures adopted in Belgium, that is no, wrong. So answer will be correct here. D option, that is first, second and third. Now children, here might be you are correct, or let's see what the CBSE board is going to give the answer in the 12th one, because when we are discussing which one the following pairs is correctly matched, union list subject is communication, correct na? State list subject is education, no, it is the both state and the centers, so that is not. Concurrent list is also adoption, so here two options are correct, right. Communications and adoption. So let's see what the final answers are going to come, what you have done. Just write in the comment, make it sure that what you have done in the 12th answers, please write in the comment box. I am waiting for your answer, and if you can explain, you can write. Another question here, read the following statement to the choose correct, mention the Indian constitution from the given options. When beta, first option is only going to give your answer, right. There is no official religion in India, there is no official religion, and we are talking about India is a secular country, right now. So D is the correct. Another idea, match the columns. As I have given you the tricks, okay, if the options are given and you are not going to find all the options, so you go for one by one, like T as you all know, beverage crops. So थर्ड का देखो B कहाँ है, थर्ड में B है ना, तो आप देखो थर्ड का ऑप्शन में B कहाँ है, यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है, राइट. if you'll go and see, then two options are be, then go find another one. Maize is like a food and fodder crops, very easy. So you can go for C option, C, A, B and D. What you have done, please write your comments. Another question here, read the following characteristics of the soil and identify. As we are having here, it is widely spread and important soil की बात आती है तो आपको सबसे पहले ध्यान में कौन सा soil आता है बेटा, alluvial, है ना, because another option also going to consider here, northern plains are made of it. अब northern plain में बेटा कौन सी soil है बताओ, वहाँ पे alluvial deposits है, that is D option is correct. Now the another question here, choose the correct options to fill the blank, that is non-metallic mica and energy minerals is your oil and the natural gas. Here option comes also even oil, then that is also correct. Here natural gas is correct. Now here children, which one the following list is correctly matched in the names of the books author has been asked. So Jyotiba Phule का book का नाम है बेटा गुलामगिरी. सुदर्शन चक्र has correct, सची कविताएं. Raj Sundari Devi has written Amar Jivan. Beta, look at here how that board is going to make you full. Kashi Baba is also correct, but there is the word which is missing here. Remember, Kashi Baba has written Chote or Bade Ka Sawal. But here in the question, K-A, Ka word has not given. So your correct option will be B. Tell me what you have written. Just comment it fast dear. Fast. Hurry up. Now the 18th question is here. Arrange the following events in chronological order and choose the correct option. Treaty of Constantinople, everybody knowing, है ना, February 1832. Hamburgs granted the autonomy to Hungary, that is 1867. That is started in the 1848, but it is going to be finalized in 1867. So I have written that 1867. Balkan conflict you all know before First World War, because the First World War is going to happen due to the Balkan conflict. All the major countries were fighting each others, right? And Napoleon Code of Conduct, that is 1804. This is also known as Civil Code of Conduct, 1804. The chronological order, if you'll go year wise, so 4, 1, 2 and 3. 4 is why? Because 1804, then 1 is 1832 and third is 1867 and the last 1912. Now another one beta, 19 question is here. The statement are given below are assertion and region based. Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain. You remember Great Britain? I taught you in the class that England, Scotland, Ireland has met together, grouped together and formed the country like Great Britain. So here the first one is correct. Now coming to the region, that England wanted to impose its influence on the Scotland. That is very rightly said. Yes, that is correct one. So your option will be A. Both A and R is true, and A is the correct explanation. Okay. Now the last question beta. What you have written, kindly do comments. The German philosopher Johann Gottfried belongs to which one of the following schools of the thought? He was a romanticist, romanticism, poetry. Okay, in the early Britain has written. So C option is going to be correct one. So I hope it will be helpful for your correcting your papers. So now I wish you all the best for the next paper, and I also hope you have done well, and please write your comments what is your scores. Thank you everybody. Thank you. Let's discuss the last section, that is AF, map based scale questions. Here the place where Gandhiji broke salt law, right? Everybody knowing that Gujarat place, that name is known as Dandi, and in the map also given, but here the map you have taken, you have stayed, and there is still in the final answer sheet. So that is your first option, that will be your salt law broken there, the Dandi. And can you remember the place where the Indian National Congress session was held in 1920? Beta, that place is like Kolkata and even Madras, but that Kolkata was September and Madras was in December. But here, as I told you कि in history में बेटा मैप में दिया रहेगा, रिमार्क जहाँ भी रहेगा वहाँ पे लिखना होता है. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया था मैप में, हमने देखा जाके, तो कोलकाता दिया था, तो आपने क्या लिखना था, कोलकाता. Now remembering that another part for 3 marks, सलाल डैम जम्मू एंड कश्मीर लिखना था, कालपकम आपका न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट है जो तमिलनाडु है, एंड बेंगलुरु एवरीबडी नोइंग कर्नाटका, दैट सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजिकल पार्क, मरमेंगो द वेस्ट वन, मेजर सी पोर्ट्स, that is Goa. Hope you have done well. Thank you dear. Write your comments what you have done, what was your total marks for the F section and the A section. Thank you.